6 plus 6 gives us 12. 10 to the power 2 gives us 100. Divide by 50. 100 divided by 50 gives us 2. And 12 times 2 gives us 24. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have addition, division, exponent and parenthesis present. And according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 10 to the power 2, that gives us 100. And then we have divide by 50. 100 divided by 50 gives us 2. Our expression simplifies to 6 plus 6 times 2, because we have that multiplication operator present here. Now we have addition and multiplication operators present in this expression. According to the rules, multiplication takes priority. So we will solve this part first. 6 times 2 gives us 12. 6 plus 12, that gives us 18, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.